Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel, and I also welcome you to the fifth part of our Korean opposite words series. If you're learning Korean and you want to grow your vocabulary quickly, then believe me, this is the perfect way to do it. Opposite words help you remember double the words with less effort. Because each time you learn one pair, you learn two words. So, in this video, you will learn 10 new pairs with easy example sentences, which is super useful for beginners learning Korean language. Also, if you have not watched the first 4 parts of this series yet, then please, I suggest you all to go through the complete playlist because it will be really helpful for you if you want to develop your Korean vocabulary. I'll share the link of the playlist consisting of videos on opposite words in Korean in the description of this video so that you have an easier access to all those videos. So now, let's continue learning together. Here comes the first word pair, which is a pair of adjectives. To be same and its opposite, to be different. In Korean, to be same is 같다, 같다. To be different, 다르다, 다르다. Now let's take a look at these example sentences to understand how these adjectives are used in Korean sentences. These two bags have the same color. 이 두 가방의 색깔이 같아요. 이 두 가방. These two bags. Color, 색깔. To be same, 같다. Present tense conjugation, 같아요. Okay, so here you are telling that these two bags, they have the same color with the help of this adjective. Now, just try to frame an opposite sentence. These two bags have different colors. 이 두 가방의 색깔이 달라요. Everything is same. You just change the adjective. Here, to say different colors, we used the adjective 다르다, conjugated in the present tense 달라요. Okay, this is very simple. You just need to remember the word pair and you will be able to frame sentences very easily. Okay? Next comes a pair of nouns. Inside, outside. Inside is an and outside 밖. an, 밖. Very simple. The cat is inside the house. 고양이가 집 안에 있어요. Cat, 고양이, house, 집. To be present inside the house. For inside, we use an. And with an, we attach a, that is the location particle. Alright? 안에 있어요. To be inside. Alright? The cat is outside the house. 고양이가 집 밖에 있어요. Simple. You just replace an with 밖. And the rest of the sentence remains the same. And the meaning turns opposite. Inside, outside. an, 밖. Okay? Next comes a pair of words. To love, to hate. To love in Korean is 사랑하다. 사랑하다. Most of you know about this word. I know that. And to hate is 미워하다. 미워하다. Now let's take a look at these sentences. I love my family. 저는 가족을 사랑해요. 저는 family, 가족. To love, 사랑하다. Present tense conjugation, 사랑해요. I love my family. Very simple. 저는 가족을 사랑해요. My brother hates me. 제 남동생은 저를 미워해요. My brother, 제 남동생. Precisely, younger brother. Me, 저를. To hate, 미워하다. Present tense, 미워해요. Okay? Next comes the pair of adjectives to be hungry and its opposite, to be full. To be hungry is 배고프다. 배고프다. To be full, 배부르다. 배부르다. Let's see the example sentences. I'm so hungry right now. 저는 지금 너무 배고파요. 저는 now, 지금. So, as in very, 너무. To be hungry, 배고파다. Present tense, 배고파요. I am full because I ate a lot at lunch. 점심을 많이 먹어서 배불러요. 점심, lunch, a lot, 많이. To eat, 먹다. Because I ate, 먹어서. Okay, this is a grammatical principle to attach also. I'm not going to discuss that right now. To be full, 배부르다. Present tense, 배불러요. Very simple. You need to understand the difference and then frame the sentence. Next, past and its opposite, future. Past in Korean is 과거. 과거. Future, 미래. 미래. Now, my father used to be a farmer in the past. 제 아버지는 과거에 농부였어요. My father, 제 아버지. Past, 과거. To be a farmer in past tense. 농부였어요. 농부 is a farmer. Okay? I want to go to Korea in the future. 저는 미래에 한국에 가고 싶어요. 저는 future, 미래. Korea, 한국. Want to go, 가고 싶어요. Very simple. Next comes the pair of verbs to write and its opposite, to erase. To write is 쓰다. 쓰다. To erase, 치우다. 치우다. Here are the examples. I wrote my name on paper. 저는 종이에 제 이름을 썼어요. 저는 paper, 종이, my name, 제 이름. Write, past tense 썼어요. Simple. I erased the board. 저는 칠판을 치웠어요. 저는 board, 칠판. To erase in past tense, 치웠어요. Okay, so now let's move ahead to the seventh pair, which is a pair of adjectives to be healthy, to be sick. To be healthy is 건강하다. 건강하다. To be sick, 아프다. 아프다. Here are the example sentences. My mom is healthy. 제 엄마는 건강해요. My grandmother is sick. 제 할머니는 아파요. Very simple sentences. I keep the sentences simple because my motive is to make you all remember the opposite pairs in the easiest way. Okay? So with the help of these sentences, it is very easy for us to remember, as you can relate them very easily. And therefore, I try to keep these sentences as simple as I can. Alright? Next comes the verb to put on and opposite, to take off. To put on is 입다. 입다. It can also translate to wear. Okay? And to take off, 벗다. 벗다. Let's look at the examples. I put on a coat, or I wore a coat. 저는 코트를 입었어요. is 저는, coat is 코트. To wear in past tense, 입었어요. Alright? I took off my coat. 저는 코트를 벗었어요. Let's look at the ninth pair. Left and its opposite, right. A very important pair. Left is 왼쪽, 왼쪽. Right, 오른쪽, 오른쪽. Here, 쪽 signifies direction. Okay? Let's see the examples. The bank is on the left. 은행은 왼쪽에 있어요. 은행, bank, left, 왼쪽. To be on the left, you are indicating a location. And therefore, we have used the particle a over here. Okay? 왼쪽에 있어요. The school is on the right. 학교는 오른쪽에 있어요. 학교, school, right, 오른쪽. And as I said, we are talking about location. We have used the location marker or location particle a. Now comes the last pair, which is a pair of adjectives. To be smart, to be dumb. To be smart in Korean is 똑똑하다. 똑똑하다. To be dumb, 멍청하다. 멍청하다. Let's take a look at these sentences. My sister is very smart. 제 언니는 너무 똑똑해요. My sister, 제 언니. Here we are talking about your elder sister when you are a female. Okay, 언니. Very, 너무. To be smart, 똑똑해요. My friend is dumb. 제 친구는 멍청해요. My friend, 제 친구. To be dumb, 멍청해요. Okay? Now, be careful while using this adjective 멍청하다. Okay, because sometimes it sounds kind of offensive. So you use it with your friends, someone you're really close to, in a playful manner. Okay, be careful while using it because it's a negative adjective, kind of. Alright? So, in this video, we learned 10 opposite pairs in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.